be there only. What you will do, you will transfer to the right hand side, then it will become plus 2. Okay, so x is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. So what is the value of x? We got x is equal to 9. Now let's see the second one example. 6 is equal to z plus 2. 6 is equal to z plus 2. Okay, now we have to find the value of z. So what we will do, we will transfer to the 2 to the left hand side. Okay, now for left hand side 6 is there already. Now which number we are going to transfer to the left hand side? 2. 2 is for right hand side, it is plus. If we will transfer to the left hand side, then it will become minus. Okay, so minus 2. Now 2 already we have transferred. So for right hand side what will remain? Z will remain as it is. See, 2 we have transferred to the left hand side. 2 is for right hand side, it is plus. We have transferred to the left hand side, so it become minus. And now is equal to z as it is. 6 minus 2, 4 is equal to z. Therefore, z is equal to 4. Just we should say here and 4. That's it. We have to find the value of z. Z is equal to 4. So at last write down z is equal to 4. Okay. So question number 4. 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. Okay. Now 3 upon 7 we will transfer to the right hand side. Okay. So what will remain for left hand side? X is equal to, again no need to write 3 upon 7 here. We are going to transfer that number to the right hand side. Right hand side number which has 17 upon 7. It is already there, so write as it is. Now which number we are going to transfer? 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7 is here plus. If we will transfer to this side, then it will become minus. So minus 3 upon 7. Now x is equal to. Now if you will observe here, denominators are same. See, 7, 7. If denominators are same, we can subtract its numerator directly. If it is not same, then you have to make it same by finding LCM method. Okay. So now it is same. So write at once denominator 17 minus 3. So x is equal to 17 minus 3, 14. 14 upon 7. Now 14 upon 7 you can do the lowest term. Yes, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So what is the answer? 2. X is equal to 2. See, you can do the lowest term. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 2 is the answer. Now let's see the question number 6. E upon 5 is equal to 10. Okay, E upon 5 is equal to 10. Now 5 is here, divide. For left hand side 5 is divide. If we will transfer to the right hand side, then it will become multiplied. So keep T as it is for the left hand side. Which number we are going to transfer? 5. So don't write it again this side. We will transfer to the right hand side. Right hand side 10 write as it is. 5 will transfer to the right hand side, then it will become multiplied. See, it is here divide. For left hand side it is divide for T. Now we will transfer to the right hand side, then it will become multiplied. So multiply by 5. So T is equal to 10 5s are 15. 10 5s are 15. So what is the value of T? T is equal to 50. So what is the value of T? T is equal to 50. You can write the box or you can underline for the answer. Let's solve question number 8. 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5 means y divided by 1.5. Now 1.5 is here divided. If we will transfer to left hand side, then it will become multiplied. So write this 1.6 as it is multiplied by this 1.5 is equal to sign as it is. Now write y here. See, 1.5 is here divided. If we will transfer to left hand side, then it will become multiplied. Okay, now do the multiplication of these both the numbers. Now see, the multiplication equal to 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9. What is the answer? 25. See, 9 plus 6, 15. 1 is carrying 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So 25 is the answer. Okay. So 25 we got here. Now 7x is equal to 25. So 7x is equal to 25. Now 7 is here multiplied. If we will transfer to this side, then it will become divide. So x is equal to 25 divided by 7. 25 divided by 7. Now see here x is equal to. Now do the division. See, you can do by this way. 25 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. Okay. 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So what we got? We can convert in the mixed fraction, or we can write in the decimal point also. See, 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25. See, denominator as it is 7. What we got? Question that we have to write as a whole number part, and remainder we have to write as a numerator place. Okay. So what is the answer? X is equal to 3 integer 4 upon 7. Or you can write this number, find this answer in the decimal also. Okay. Let's solve now question number 10. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Now see here, which is alone? 8 is alone, and this 14 is with variable. So first we will transfer 8 to the right hand side. So 14y will write as it is. Okay, is equal to sign give as it is, write 13 as it is. Now 8 is for left hand side, it is minus. If we will transfer to the right hand side, then it will become plus. So 18, sorry, so 13 plus 8. Okay, now 14y write as it is equal to 13 plus 8. What you will get? 21. What you will get? 21. Okay, now 14y is equal to 21 we got. Now 14 is here multiplied. 14 is here multiplied. So if we transfer to the right hand side, then it will become divide. So y is equal to 21 divided by 14. Okay, so now y is equal to 21 divided by 14. Now both the numbers are divisible by 7. Both the number it comes in the 7 table. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So what we got answer? Y is equal to 3 upon 2. So what we got answer? Y is equal to 3 upon 2. Now if you will observe, this is which type of fraction? Improper fraction. So we can convert in the mixed fraction. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. So 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. 3 upon 2. You can convert this in the mixed fraction. Okay. So now next question number 12. X upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. Now which is alone? 1 is alone. 1 is here plus. If we will transfer to the right hand side, then it will become minus. See, x upon 3. Now write is equal to sign as it is. 7 upon 15 also as it is. Now 1 is here plus. If we will transfer to this side, then it will become minus. So minus 1. Okay. So how we got minus 1 understood? Then after that, x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1. If there is no denominator, means what it is? It is 1. Okay. So now to subtract this 1, we should make the denominator same. Without that we cannot subtract directly. See, here denominator is 1. There is no denominator means 1. So directly we cannot subtract. So what is the LCM for this? 15. See, which is greater denominator 15, and it comes in the one table. So 15 is the LCM. So x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15. LCM is 15. 15 ones are 15. So no need to multiply with any number here. Minus 1 upon 1. 1 ones are 15. 1 15s are 15. And what here? LCM is 15. are 15 or 15 ones are 15. 15. Okay. Now x upon 3 is equal to, now we got denominator same. So let's subtract its numerator. So 15 write as it is 7 minus 15. Okay. Now if you will observe, x upon 3 is equal to, see here, 7 minus 15. 7 is, there is no sign, this plus. Plus minus, minus. So subtract 7 from 15. What you will get? 8. Now 7 and 8. In this both the numbers, which is greater? 15 is greater. It has negative sign. So for answer also negative sign. So minus 8 upon 15. See, I don't have plus sign writing here. Okay. So x upon 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 15 we got. Okay. Now 3 is here. Divide. We have to find the value of x now. 3 is here. Divide. If we will transfer to right hand side, then it will become multiplied. So x is equal to minus 8 upon 15 multiplied by 3. 3 is here. Divide. For left hand side it is divide. If we will transfer to the right hand side, then it will become multiplied. Okay. So x is equal to minus 8 upon 15 multiplied by 3. Now we can do, see, cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to minus 8 upon 5. So what answer we got? X is equal to minus 8 upon 5.